Please stand clear. The doors are closing. Please hold on.
Excuse me. This is my first time, huh? This is my first time. I have to go. I have to go drop off my sister, but I use the parking. But I have to go back because she wanna go. She wanna fly to Europe. I don't know what I'm gonna.
Which airline?
Huh?
Which airline?
She gonna take Air France.
Air France.
Yeah.
Okay, on Friday.
So I'm gonna the first stop, right?
Yes. This is Terminal 1, Air France.
Over here, right?
I remember where you park, okay?
Yeah.
Parking lot is over there.
Yeah, parking, yeah.
So Air France is right there.
Right here, right?
So,
Thank you, boss.